From the airfield to the assembly line, the Mirage 2000 undergoes rigorous transformation.
The array of Mirage 2000 components moves through the cleansing station. Synchronized robotic arms utilize The Mirage panel enters the plasma chamber, preparing the surface at a molecular level for robust sealant adhesion.
Alignment accuracy is paramount here. Are the robots within spec?
Yes, the monitor shows perfect application.
The specialized UV light reveals the translucent primer on the Mirage 2000's structural frame, ensuring uniform coverage for optimal adhesion.
Check the trailing edge, zone 4. The multispectral indicates a coating irregularity.
Annual analysis. It's within tolerance now. We are clear for transfer.
The cross-section clearly shows the flawless bond with the composite substrate. This superior adhesion, this interface point perfectly demonstrates the superior adhesion properties.
The sealant layer is uniform, completely free of microcracks or delaminations.
Scan complete for Bay 5C. Coordinates updated in the system.
The thermal signature is exactly within tolerance. The exothermic reaction is stable across the entire potted section.
The automated assessment shows 0 defects on the internal layers.
Verified against the schematic. We can approve lot 43.
The automated system applies the tamper-evident seal, securing the Mirage 2000 frame. A final visual inspection confirms the integrity of the component.
The Mirage frames for Line 7 need to be prioritized this hour. Adjust the AGV routing accordingly.
The finish is completely uniform. The robots did an excellent job on the contours.
Yes, it's ready for the top coat. We have an anomaly detected on Sector 4.
Secondary scan confirms it's superficial. The coating integrity is sound.
Pallet 7 finalized. Route the next batch to loading bay 4. Prioritize the overseas shipment.
Okay, cross-referencing these numbers now, looks good.
Yeah, seals are intact, no scratches here.
We push the update.
Great job, team.
The new interface is incredibly intuitive.
Alignment check complete. Tolerances are nominal.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with the integration sequence.
We need to verify the alignment here before the robots move in.
It's within tolerance. Proceeding with the scan.
Ensure the sealant around the engine nozzle meets specification.
Already checked, Supervisor. It's perfectly smooth.
The Mirage 2000 fighter jet, its light gray exterior gleaming, accelerates down the runway. The Mirage 2000 soars through the turbulence, its sealed panels showcasing unwavering resilience.
A testament to the meticulous sealing and corrosion protection applied to each Mirage 2000 aircraft panel, ensuring mission readiness and longevity.
Integrated onto an active-duty Mirage 2000, the advanced sealing glistens under the desert sun, completely unmarred by sand abrasion.
The Mirage 2000s demonstrate unwavering resilience, a testament to the meticulous sealing and corrosion protection.